Welcome back to the kitchen. I am Busy Dad. Today we are making a noodle dish. Hang on, I forgot one thing. That is half of a boiled egg. So I'm just about ready to eat this. But before I do, why don't you take a trip back in time with me and we can explore how we got to this delicious point. Tonight we are cooking kind of a Thai-inspired noodle dish. We've got our linguine going here. This is a flat noodle. Will be a stand-in. I didn't pick this out. Somebody bought this for me and brought it home from the grocery. But this is what we are eating tonight. We've also got an egg going here at the same time. It's gonna hard boil. All right. This is an awesome dish. You can throw it together in very little time. Join me. We're going to chop up some cool vegetables, and then we're going to assemble the dish once everything is cooked. Okay, so there are a lot of what I'm going to call cold ingredients in this dish, and that means quite a lot of chopping. So I'm going to see how quickly I can do these. Keep this entertaining. This is peanuts, obviously. We want to grind these pretty small. Chop these up until they're, you know, 1/8 of an inch or less. You'll see, kind of like a chunky powder that we're gonna sprinkle over the top once we're done. And next thing on here is some green onion. Just chop off the tip there, and that. And then we'll get to chopping this up. These can be a little bit less fine. I see a dirty piece there I don't like. So those are nice. Those will also be sprinkled over the top. Alright, now we have kind of got like the hot pepper. This is spicy, and so this is only going on the dish for people that want that. So again, I'm going to try to get this into little chunks. Quite small. Because if possible, we don't want anybody to get a big bite of pepper. Chop, 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 chop. Alright, next up, cilantro. Again, cilantro to taste. It's so satisfying to chop up cilantro. And then next we have got the cucumber. You'll notice I'm not keeping these ingredients totally separate when I'm chopping. I'm okay if they mix a little bit. They're all going on the same place, which is to say the top of our dish. Now my cucumbers from the garden are a little bit seedy. I've got a lot of seeds in them. So if you don't like that and you want to take some of those seeds out, that's totally fine. These will add a nice crunch and coolness that will offset the hot peppers and the salty and sour flavors of the dish. Now once that's all done and we've got our cutting surface cleaned off, this is kind of what this looks like. Cucumbers, green onion, peanuts, cilantro. Also going to cut up a slice of lemon and put that on there for squeezing over the dish at the end. Alright, this dish is not entirely vegetarian by any means. We've got a pork chop here. I'm going to try to slice up. And each person is going to get one of these in addition to the other protein in the dish, which is peanut and egg. Okay, now we've got to get together our sauce. And in this case, the sauce is going to be a little bit sweet. So you're going to sweeten that to taste with some sugar. I'm not putting a lot in. Also going to have some olive oil. Best quality you can get. Rice vinegar, very important. These are about a 1-to-1 ratio. And I would add some salt, or if you prefer it, although not perhaps authentic in this dish, some soy sauce. Give that all a good mix to incorporate, and that's ready to go on. Mushrooms are super healthy. I like to throw them in to a lot of different dishes. So these are going straight in the pot, and these will be done when the pasta is. Okay, we are just gonna plate this up and see what we've got. I can't wait. All right, we've got our noodles, obviously there. Just gonna add to that cucumber, hot peppers, our green onion, our grated up or chopped up peanuts, cilantro, a whole bunch on the top, a pork rib, and a slice of lemon. Then on top of all that, we can't forget our sauce. That is going to get mixed up real good so it's not all oil, and just drizzle over the top there. I don't know about you, but I think this looks pretty amazing, and we've got 2 more here complete for the whole family. Let's zoom in the right direction there. That looks pretty good. I can't get it all in focus at once. It's so majestic. I hope you enjoy watching me cook this. I hope you are inspired to make something like this yourself. That's all for tonight. We're going to go eat dinner. It is going to be amazing. So we'll see you next time when Busy Dad is cooking